was fighting a lot, such as personal things at home. Normally, I would take long walks. Normally, most of us, we get a little frustrated and we want to fight and get a little disoriented, and we go into a mindset we don't need to be. When I feel that now, when I go through anything, when I step in the booth, or when I come into the school period, I know it's something for me to do, and I know it's valued. I thought about becoming a welder 2.5, maybe 3 years ago when I began stalking the school. Like I said, I was coming here, but I had that thought 2.5, 3 years ago. And every time I came in, I ran into a roadblock where I had to get financial aid set up. I was in default because I went to Penn State for architecture. That didn't work out because I wasn't focused and I was, partying and all that. Here, you must be focused. There's no partying. Everything in that booth is the party. It's beautiful, but I've been watching this school for 2.5 years, and I made that decision back then, and I've been fighting to get here. So once that door was open, that's why I just ran. I took off everything, I left everything alone, and I just ran for it, and I'm here. I'm able to create things that I never thought I was able to create. And not just for myself, but for future generations that's coming behind me and you. And you. It's gonna happen once you step into PTTI. Any dream that you do have is possible. I have a dream of becoming an underwater welder, becoming a contractor, becoming an entrepreneur, to rub elbows with the architect. I also want to put down some tracks and put my own train upon it, or trolley. I would like to erect some buildings that me and my fellow workers and students build up not on our own, but you get what I'm saying, to build up something. Mm-hmm. I would like to get land to set a little school like this upon it and give other people more resources to where they can make it. I also have a dream of becoming a great leader, a great business owner. But I don't want to just be a great business owner. I want to be a great person. I want a person to come to my company, learn, earn, and succeed.